Do you ever feel like your mower is working harder than it should? It's struggling in wet grass and leaving behind clumps instead of a clean cut? The chances are your blades are dull. Keeping your lawnmower blade sharp isn't just about getting a nice looking lawn. It saves time, fuel and effort. Today I'm going to talk about my blade maintenance routine that keeps my mower running like a dream. Let's get mowing. So first things first, why does a sharp blade even matter? A sharp blade gives you a cleaner cut, reducing stress on the grass and keeping the lawns healthier. It reduces strain on the mower and it helps your engine run smoother. You'll save time and fuel because your mower won't have to work as hard to power through the thick grass. If you're catching a lot of grass or mowing lawns in the rain, sharp blades can make a huge difference. Now let's talk about how I keep mine in shape. Now I have a blade sharpening routine. I dedicate the first Saturday of every month to servicing my gear, and sharpening the blades is at the top of my list. Here's my exact process. The first thing I do is I clean the mower. I water blast it. I use a soft water blaster because if you go with too much pressure, you can actually get water in the engine and that's no good for your mower. Secondly, I pull off the blade, and once I've got the blade off, I compare it to a new blade that I've got in my workshop just to make sure that the blade is not bent, because there's no point sharpening a bent blade. Now once I've made sure the blade's not bent, I will go and grab my vice grips and I'll just clip the blade to the bench and sharpen it with a grinder. I aim for a 20% angle and I do an even amount of strokes on both sides to keep the blade balanced, normally about 15 to 20 strokes. And here are a few extra tips to keep your mower performing at its best. Don't over sharpen the blade. You don't need a knife edge. Over sharpening can weaken the blade and cause faster wear. Check the balance. Uneven sharpening can make the blade vibrate and damage your mower. If you're unsure, use a blade balancer. Keep up with regular maintenance. Check the oil, clean the air filter, lube the cables to keep everything running smoothly. If you're looking to get more leads and grow your lawn care business to 10k a month, join my free community, the Lawn Business Builders. The link is below. Also, let me know in the comments, how often do you sharpen your mower blades? Any tips or tricks that you swear by? Let's help each other out. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on more lawn care business tips. Until next time, get out there, mow lawns, have fun and happy lawn mowing, people.